Good morning, everyone. So what we're doing for today is we're still learning about making connections. So good readers make connections by using what they already know to connect a text to their life experiences, another text, or the world. For this week, we're just learning about text to self. Text to self is when you connect the story to your life and your experiences. This week, we've been reading the story The Brothers Quibble by Aaron Blabey. And today you're going to be doing Tuesday's activity, which I'm going to explain. Okay, so for today, what you need to do is you need to use the link that is on Google Classroom to listen to the story The Brothers Quibble written by Aaron Blabey. Once you have listened to the story, you need to complete the Venn diagram activity. You need to choose the character from the story that you like the most and fill out the Venn diagram with the similarities and differences between you and your chosen character. The similarities will go in the middle section that it overlaps, and the differences go on the outer sections. Once you have completed the Venn diagram, write a brief summary of the similarities and differences between you and your chosen character. Use the example as a guide. So the example that I have done is, so I wrote me on the left-hand side, so I'm quiet but can be loud. I'm kind, polite, and I have a brother. And then I compared myself with Spalding. So I said that Spalding is loud, he thinks he rules everything, he's jealous, angry, wreaks havoc, and has a brother. Then what I did in the middle is I compared what was similar between the two of us. So what's similar between us is that we're both loud and that we both have brothers. So what you need to do on the next page is you need to just describe yourself on one side, and then you need to describe yourself on the other. You need to describe another character from the story on the other side, and then compare yourself in the middle. Then you need to write a brief summary of the similarities and differences that you have with your chosen character. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you. Bye.